Oh yeah, happy Thirsty Thursday.
Cheers, everybody.
What's up, everybody? Luis here. Hope you are all having a wonderful morning. And yes, it's Friday Eve. We're almost there, almost through the week. Keep at it, all right? So where are mortgage interest rates today? Well, let's quickly break it down and run a live scenario. But first, let's quickly look at the technicals. Today, the 10-year yield is up about 10 basis points to 4.13% from yesterday's 4.03%. So there is some change to the bad side. Not good for rates. The 30-year 5.5% bond is down about 60 basis points to 98.31 from yesterday's 98.84. This means bad news for the markets because remember, the lower the 10-year yield and the higher the 30-year bond, the better it is for mortgage interest rates. Translation. Yesterday's Fed meeting confirmed the 0.75% rate increase, but during the press conference, Jerome Powell slipped in some very cryptic messaging indicating that there may be a slowdown on the rate hike increases. Also, the jobs report that just came out has some information that is skewing the wage inflation numbers, indicating that only the lower paying jobs are seeing major wage inflation. For example, take the wages for that Starbucks barista, let's say. The higher the wages, the higher the cost for that latte. And that is inflationary. So if the prices get too high, less people will buy that latte because they can't afford it, which means unemployment for that barista, which means bad news. But that is another story. In the meantime, let's price out a loan scenario to see the effects of yesterday's storm. This week, we are looking at a conventional loan scenario with 5% down. But if you need a quote for an FHA or VA loan, please DM me. Remember, these are to the minute and are all subject to change with the market. This is a $500,000 conventional purchase loan with only 5% down. FICO score is 740, owner occupied, and it's a single family residence. We have a 7.375% interest rate with a $347 discount fee. The APR is 7.695. So this is about a quarter higher than yesterday. Yesterday we were at 7.125. And for compliance reasons, let me make sure that the fees imported correctly and everything looks good. Let me see, 7.375, 7.695 is the APR, and we have that charge for the interest rate of $347. So it all looks good. Let me know if you need me to send this your way, or you can also visit me at www.prequalifywithluis.com. Remember, it never hurts to get a second opinion. It's free, zero cost, as in free 99. So you have absolutely nothing to lose, especially with our rates. And as always, I'm not going to suggest that you lock or not lock today because every single situation is different. I will say that as the rates go up, the fear mongering increases and is more visible because that creates clicks and views and attention. And that is bad because it keeps potential home buyers on the sidelines waiting for that crash. That's not going to happen. And that is all I have for today. Enjoy your Thirsty Thursday, and I will talk to all of you tomorrow. Bye now.